Geometry trig review, last three problems. If an object is dropped from the top of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, it will land 13 feet from the base of the tower. If the height of the tower is 183 feet, what is the angle that the tower makes with the ground? Well, this is a little ambiguous, so let's draw the Leaning Tower of Pisa with more of a slant. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is 183 feet. If you drop something from the top, it lands 13 feet from the base. And we need to find this angle. We'll call it x. Well, we don't know the angle, but we do know that this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So 13 over 183 equals the cosine of angle x. 13 divided by 183 is 0.0710. It's the cosine of x. Check the calculator, make sure it's still in degrees, yay. The angle whose cosine is 0.0710 is 85.9 degrees, almost 86 degrees. It is very nearly a right angle. And that would make sense, because if the tower is going to be that tall and still leaning over but standing up, it would have to be close to a right angle. So, there's our answer. Suppose a tree casts a shadow of length 60 feet. The shadow is 60 feet. The distance from the top of the tree to the end of the shadow is 80 feet. What is the angle of elevation from the shadow to the top of the tree? They want us to find this angle. Okay. Adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine. Cosine of the angle is 6 over 8 is 3 over 4 is 0.75. What is the angle whose cosine is 0.75? 41.4 degrees. Last problem, and then I can go home. A bird sits on top of a lamppost 20 meters tall. 20 meters. And here's my little bird singing in the trees, just singing in the trees, singing in the trees, just singing in the trees. There's my bird. The distance from the bird to the feet of an observer, here's the person, is 25 meters. Find the angle of depression from the bird to the feet of the observer. What they want is this angle, because angle of depression is from here to here. So This is 20 meters. I'm going to make a rectangle. This has to be 20 meters. Here's the angle I need. Opposite over hypotenuse is sine. The sine of my angle is equal to 20 over 25, which I think is 0.8, but I'll just double check. I'm tired. It is 0.8. What angle has a sine of 0.8? 53 degrees. Good luck with your studies. If you need to text me, the number is 512-897-8235. That's how you text me. Study hard, do well, have a good weekend.